Very often, it feels as if our lives seem to fall short of whatever we wish they were. But it doesn't have to be this way, though. Spiritual leader Gabrielle Bernstein, author of Spirit Junkie, The Universe Has Your Back, and Judgment Detox, has the belief that there's an invisible power all around us. She has helped thousands tap into it to achieve their goals, and she offers insights into the forces that hold us back and practical advice about how to overcome them in order to stop stressing and make success come our way. Here are the top 7 lessons from Gabrielle Bernstein's book Super Attractor. Lesson 1. Make each thought count. Our thoughts affect the energy we emit. If you engage in negative thinking on a regular basis, then everything around you will reflect those vibes. Just by looking into ways to better yourself, like reading this guide, already sends a powerful message to the universe that you are ready for change. The universe is always listening, so you will receive whatever you desire, as long as you are clear on what you truly desire. The book teaches us that in order to send this message to the universe, we must first clean up our energetic request. One simple way to check the energy behind your request is to say out loud what it is you want to call into your life. Lesson 2. Change your energy to become better aligned with the universe. At some point in life, everyone gets tired or unmotivated. Even successful people or celebrities aren't exempted from feeling that way, but it's only temporary. The key out of it is to align your energy with the universe so you can move past this state of mind. In order to do this, you must first recognize the power of your own mind. The true power of our mind is its capacity to tune in, and the most powerful way to access its full capacity is to meditate every day. Lesson 3. Choose again. The first step to changing your thoughts is to identify the feelings behind them. Try asking yourself what you feel right now. Like if you're scared or worried, that means you have negative energy in your body. Next step would be to forgive yourself for having those thoughts, and thank yourself for identifying what doesn't work for your life so you can change it. Finally, choose again. Let the universe guide you towards more positive thoughts. Focus on discovering creative solutions for your problems that will lead you to a happier future. Lesson 4. Admit that you want to feel good. In the philosophy of spiritual leader Deepak Chopra, happiness for a reason is still misery, because you can lose that reason at any time. All our life, we've been fed this idea that happiness comes from hard work, and that it is unattainable without suffering. This destructive way of thinking led us to believe that we had to work harder in order to earn happiness. The truth, however, is that you are worthy of good things, and they can come easily. Lesson 5. Take advantage of the principles from the book. The first step to taking advantage of this principle is to remember a past event in your life that made you feel a positive emotion that you want to have again. If a happy emotion is what you want to feel, for example, then think back of an experience that made you feel that way. Next, declare how you would like to feel. It isn't wrong to want to have good things in your life, including emotions. Pick a mantra to match those feelings, write it down, and say it out loud every time you fall into a negative mindset. Give yourself the time you need to meditate on these thoughts and reflect on how you're doing at sticking to what you want. Lesson 6. Appreciate where you're at and what you have now. Life constantly bombards us with reasons to feel negative. It is easy to feel frustrated when we're caught in situations, like losing a wallet or getting stuck in traffic. But in order to maintain a consistent level of high positive energy, you must develop a habit of appreciation. Sometimes, though, it's not so easy when we have negative experiences that do benefit us, but the good we gain from it is hard to see. The author's friend Alex, for example, had a hard time with fixating on a bad business decision. He remained anxious for months until he began to appreciate what he learned from that experience. Immediately, he began to see a way to move forward and leave the negativity behind. You can begin doing the same as early as today. Even if it may seem impossible to find the good in your current situation, you can start by focusing on what you have to be grateful for. It helps to look at the hidden benefit in frustrating situations. Lesson 7. Put out what you want to receive. Clarify your desires through the power of intention. Being a super attractor is not about trying to control every thought that passes through our mind, or living in some kind of utopia without any challenges. It's about raising your vibrations so you can powerfully co-create with the universe. We can expect miracles when we align our thoughts and energy with spiritual faith. Remember, the universe is always listening, and the universe is constantly guiding us to the highest good for all. Living a life filled with positive energy clears the path for solutions in every situation, regardless how difficult it may be. In conclusion, this book will help you learn how to realign your energy, what signs from the universe can look like in everyday life, and how a short mantra can change your whole worldview. How do you intend to vibe with the universe? Share your insights in the comment box below. Thank you for listening. If If you like the book summary and you want to see more in this category, please like and subscribe so I can create more. You can also get a free copy of the entire audiobook by clicking the link in the description. Until next time.